How to bypass Discord phone number verification. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to bypass Discord phone number verification. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to your browser and then just search for free phone number right here. And then scroll down until you reach this temporary phone number for verification code. So just click on that and you can see this right here. So just choose any phone number that you want to use. So for me, I will choose this Denmark right here. Click on that and exit the ad. And then just click on the phone number to copy it. And then once you have clicked on that and copied it on your clipboard, head over to your Discord app and then just change this right here and just choose Denmark. And then let's paste the phone number that we have copied, but let's remove this right here. Then click on next. And then just confirm this CAPTCHA. And then just answer the CAPTCHA that they have provided. And then just click on next right here, answer the CAPTCHA, and then this will send a code to the phone number in this website. So what you need to do is to just update the latest SMS in order to retrieve the latest SMS that this number has received. So just do that and then log in and register on your Discord. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to bypass Discord phone number verification. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.